Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. My name is Raquel Altia and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this refreshing tamarind juice. So without further any ado, let's dive into this video. So the first step, you'll take your cardamom, like 8 to 10 pieces, then you're going to grind them. Afterwards, you're going to take a large pot, add your tamarind, then you're going to pour 2 liters of water, add a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of ginger, and 1 glass of sugar. You can add or you can reduce the sugar, that's up to your preference, and let everything to boil for approximately 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of boiling, you're going to strain the juice into a separate big bowl. Then I'm going to add more water into the pot so I can able to extract more of the tamarind juice, and then afterwards I'm going to add a drop of vanilla and extra sugar. That's optional and that's according to your preference if you would like more sugar. Then you're going to stir until everything is nicely dissolved. Let the juice to cool down a bit before filling them into your plastic or into your glass bottles, and once it is cooled down, then you're going to fill them into your bottles. And the way we serve is, of course, you serve it cold, but I wanted to drink mine immediately. I will add some ice cubes and I'm going to pour my tamarind juice. Like guys, this juice is so tasty and it doesn't cost a lot of money. You can make it anytime at an affordable price, and I hope you guys are going to try it at home. And if you're going to try out, please kindly come back to the comment section and let me know. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.